Like honestly, I think it's really good.
Thank
and
you.
I'm gonna put this bit earlier on in the video because how rude of me. Okay, so now Sassan, I think you just need to explain to the wonderful people of YouTube what you do. Like, because now again, guys, it's not just about doing your standard work, also doing more. Now, when I say Sassan is a modern day Da Vinci, like
Thank you.
you need to see. Anyway, let the man talk. Explain what you do, and
So this all came about. I'd say even I've gone on about it a fair amount, but the pandemic, So during the old coronavirus pandemic, whilst I was on furlough, I thought to myself, how can I keep my sanity sort of going? So I thought to myself, I love art, so I thought, let me just paint. How long does it take? I've got all the time in the world to sort of do it. So I thought I'd just buy a canvas, buy some paint, and get cracking, essentially. So I do now. I wouldn't even call it a side business. It's more of a hobby. I just love doing it.
Yeah, that's good.
So I do paintings now. Any commission-based painting that anyone asks me, I will do. So I've done portraits to anime,
which we'll be seeing in a second.
Sorry,
can I see it just so I can?
This is the packaging.
Okay. I'm about to open it. You guys will get to see my live reaction. Oh my goodness. Well, you guys can't really see me, so I don't show my face, but I'm actually super excited for this.
I hope it comes out.
Okay, so. Oh my god, wow. Oh man, this is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna, guys, just look at that. Look at that. Oh, my character's never looked so This man is talented.
Thank you.
Jesus. Oh no, I'm actually
do you like it?
Yeah, that's so cool.
I'm so glad you like it.
That is going. But see, and look, I have to see, look at that watermark.
Yeah, you got to put the signature on that. Could be worth millions.
That is amazing. That is actually so. Oh man.
Do you like it?
No, I generally do. Thank you so much.
Oh, I'm glad you do.
That's actually amazing. Okay, so you have to hold it up while you continue speaking about what you do.
So yeah, this is so I've just done this painting for OhKayInvesting. I do as a side hobby, and I think to myself, every money. So the money I get for it, essentially, I look at it as money I never had, and then that goes straight into the investing account, essentially, and then that's just what I do with my time, really. That's
amazing. So. That's really good. I would say, guys, all his details are going to be up here. His commissions are really good. Clearly, the quality is amazing. This is good. This is. I'm putting this up in my room. Honestly, it's. Oh man, I'm so happy.
Yeah, that's okay.
No man, I'll see you guys. Christmas has come early, but yeah, like I was saying, it's just the importance of doing more. There's so much you can always do with your time, and Sassan said, he doesn't even see it as a side business. I feel that as talented as you are, it will grow. You will get more commissions. I've got a tip for you to get more commissions, actually.
Thank you.
But I'll say, if it's something that you generally enjoy and you earn money from it, you're on the right track. But honestly, that's amazing work, and the fact that then just goes more into your investments, that's really good. But yeah, what I'll say, definitely, I think I already told you, Fiverr
and Etsy.
Etsy, are you already on them?
I'm not, but I've actually got shares in those companies.
Oh, very good companies though. That's good.
Yeah, so I do know about the actual companies themselves, which when Kay sort of suggested it to me, I was like, okay, I know where he's coming from. He knows his stuff as well.
Yeah. Another thing to get more commissions, do you know the YouTuber PewDiePie?
PewDiePie, yeah.
Yeah. Honestly, do a painting of him, post it on his subreddit, and if you get featured on his, that's millions of views. And honestly, your painting is definitely really good quality. It'll get featured.
Do you think?
Yeah, honestly, I think it's a good idea.
It just needs that one person to
really
exactly
see it. But yeah, this makes me so happy because honestly, I feel I know so many talented people, so many people that are really doing stuff. Another person that came, who would be great to have on the shows, Luke. Did you see his fight recently?
Yeah, I saw Luke. Yeah, Luke the trainer.
Yeah, oh man, there's so many people just doing stuff, and it's just really nice to see, because I feel like, I guess our parents' generation, a lot of them just kind of did the same thing. You know what I mean?
So,
yeah, and I feel like we're the ones who are like, okay, we like doing that thing. We're going to devote like a lot of time towards it and like expand different passions and just get to do more. But yeah,